Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, in this video I'm going to be taking out the REVR CM5 out for basically its first ride. We had it up and down the street here in front of our house, but now it's time to take it out for a longer ride, get familiar with it. We're going to share a few things with you about it here in just a moment, and yeah, see where this video goes. So come along for the ride. Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going for a ride on the REVR CM5. We just got it unboxed a couple of days ago. We're going to take it out now for its first ride, kind of get familiar with it. We're going to share a couple of things with you as we go along. So yeah, come along for the ride. All right, this is the second bike we've received this week that has this beautiful display. I really like this display. And it's paired with this button pad, which has a great feature because it's got a backlit power button and a backlit up and down pass level button. So at night you'd be able to see this just fine. I'm digging it a whole lot. Because occasionally I'd like to go out for a ride at night and you just can't see your controls. It's nice that it has that. Whew, let's get up here. Where you guys at? Oh boy, look what's going on here. We got some construction going on today. Oh, you know what's going on here? Another Florida homeowner is having a pool built. Yeah, that's what this is all about. Yeah, we went through this process. Look, we went through this process a couple of years ago. Fun, exciting times, having a pool put in. Takes about 6 to 8 weeks. All right, let's get going here. So this REVR CM5, oh my gosh, all kinds of noise. This REVR CM5 is pretty nice. There's my buddy Ron. Hey Ron. That's Ron's house right there. Hey, let's stop and say hi to Ron and say hi to Dink. Hey guys, look like you're working in the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey buddy.
You want a video?
Hey buddy. Hi. Oh, look at you. Hi. Hey. Okay, he got bored of me real quick. Yeah. All right, maybe now without all the interruptions in the construction, we can actually talk about the REVR CM5 because it's got a cadence sensor. Well, let me just stop up here and share a couple things with you. Easy off. So we do have a 500 watt motor. Now don't let that deter you. I know a lot of people think, oh, you have to have a 750. That 500 watt motor is pretty powerful and it's perfectly fine on flat level ground. I don't have any hills to test it on, but it's performing well. We have an 18 amp hour battery in here. We do have mechanical brakes down here. This is a cadence sensor bike. Wiring is looking pretty good up here. 7-speed Shimano. We do have adjustable forks. Yeah, and they advertise that this bike rack is strong enough to hold, you know, small children and stuff. So that's kind of cool there. Tires are street tires, and these are a 2.1 inch by 27.5. So almost like a regular street bike. Well, it is a street bike, only it's got a motor. Yeah. So let's just jump back on. We're going to do the full review here in a week or so after we get familiar with it some more. So always be looking out for the full review video because that's where we tell you if there's anything that comes up that we think is a little odd or strange or different. But yeah, let's just go this way because there's more construction down there and we can't really get anywhere. So we're in pass level 4. I'm going to bump it up to 5. That motor's pretty quiet. I like that. Not a high pitch, not a over, not a real noisy, annoying kind of sound or anything. You just hear the hum, which is pretty good. So this bike looks like it tops out at 20. I forgot to check that. I believe it is just a class 2 bike. I don't think it can be changed, but I will look that up and let you know. Yeah. It's kind of a lighter weight bike too. So it's not as heavy as some of your bigger bikes. You know, smaller tires, smaller rims, that helps. Slightly smaller battery. I mean, not small by any means. 18 amp hours is really good, but it's not as heavy as a 20 amp hour battery, so it keeps it manageable weight. That's what I'm trying to say here. So we're up in 7th gear, and I can pedal that fast without ghost pedaling. I still feel the pedal under my feet. And yeah, so it's doing good. It's doing real good. I'm not using throttle at all. I'm just using the cadence sensor now, just kind of spinning the wheel, spinning the crank, and letting it do the work. I like that these handlebars swept back a little bit. I prefer that, I guess, on a like a city bike like this is. A street bike, city bike, where your handlebars are swept back just a little bit and not straight across. So this makes it a nice, comfortable riding position. So I like that a lot too. The handlebar stem's adjustable. So if you wanted to lay the handlebar stem down and put it further in front of you, you can. I prefer a more upright riding position. Hey, look, we're gonna hit this construction again here. You know, we're just gonna go up on the sidewalk and get out of the way. He's gonna dump something. Let's make sure he doesn't dump something on us here. There he goes. What they're doing is they're digging the hole. That was the same company that built our swimming pool, so they dig the hole in one day, and they come back the next day and start getting ready, putting all the reinforcement rod and steel in there and getting ready to shoot the concrete. So it's a pretty quick process. I'm gonna go down this way. Why not? I was down here yesterday. Nice little ride through here. Yeah, so the CM5 by REVR is performing very well so far for us, and if you're looking for a city-style bike with thinner tires, definitely consider this one. It's got a lot of things going for it. I mean, you know, the nice display and the backlit button pad, twisty throttle, which I prefer over a thumb throttle. You do have adjustable forks. You got the 500-watt motor, which is more than enough if you're on mostly flat ground. Cadence sensor, if that's what your preference is. So, yeah. Just follow the link down below and check it out. If you have any questions about it, drop them in the comment section of this video. And remember, I'm going to be bringing you some more content about this as we get familiar with it. And we'll also be bringing you the full review here real soon. So be watching for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Ring the notification bell so you get notified when that video does drop. Guys, that's going to be it for this one. Give me a like. And I will see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.